Hello everyone, welcome to Liberable. Welcome to a new video here on Liberable. Killarney, MSA actually?
Yeah.
MSA. The best MSA film video in the country.
Look at the video. I mean, look at the weather.
The weather, no? Super foggy. Very foggy. But we should be fine. I don't think there's any rain in the forecast over the day. A huge thank you to this video sponsor, Turbo Repair Master. You guys can check all the information down in the description box below. I have another sponsor. Thank you so much to the VapeStation. Ladies and gentlemen, they're giving away a Smeg Kettle and Toaster. Check in down the description box below for all the information. I will also be posting, like in the next 3 minutes in this video, a good little ad spot to show you guys how to buy and how to buy online as well. You must pay the bills here on Liberable. So yeah, enjoy this video here. I'm excited, first time in over a year. I'm back at Killarney, so let's see what it's about. On the left and a 15.2 on the right. One day in the left and then for that BMW M3. There for Paul from HOC, got a 14.9 for him and a 15.6 there for that Fiesta ST. Audi 1360 for the Mach 1, 10.9 for that Audi S3. Jeez Louise. Yaris there, 59 in the left-hand lane, sounding like a BMW M4, and 49 there for the diesel-powered Mach 1 Golf. I want to do a review on that Mach 1. That is so awesome. If you can, please drop me a message. I'd love to show people that. That's super interesting. BMW is struggling for traction. There still runs a respectable 13.1, 11.6 there for the Audi RS3. All-wheel traction is important when the ground looks like this.
11.6 to the right.
And a 14.3 for the Toyota. I'm not sure, I think it's VVL powered. Jeez! Oh, 7-0 there in the right hand lane. In freaking insane. RS3 there, 11.5. Listen to this thing sound. I don't know what the correct times are for Yaris's, but 14.6. Not sure if that's a good time. Perfect time to pay the bills, ladies and gentlemen. The VapeStation is going to be giving away a Smeg Toaster and Kettle. All you need to use is code LIBERABLE when purchasing at a VapeStation store. You also need to check out when buying online, use code VapeStation. By the way, I've gotten the VapeStation to get you guys 5% off all your orders on the online store. So they are the one-stop shop for all your vape needs. They have 8 stores around the Western Cape. And yeah, I really appreciate them coming on board to support this channel, and I really appreciate all of you who are supporting me, guys. If you wanna help me grow this channel even more and do more things like this without struggling to get sponsors, please check out the subscription program. It's like 10 to 100 bucks a month. You can pick anyone just for support, to allow me to keep doing this stuff and at least fix the Volvo with my brother. So enjoy the video ahead. Left and 11.4 for the Golf R over there. Very consistent 11s, 11.4 there for him and 12.6 there for the left hand lane. I think those are MSA cars, I'm not too sure.
Hello, ako po ay gusto na left hand lane ko. Ito po ni apa ni share direct bulyo.
like I said, it's super consistent. 11 there for that Audi RS3. That is a new spec 8Y if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. I really do like that car. And I'm not gonna lie, if I can buy in, if I had the money in any car in the world, that would be it. I love the 5-pot Audi. There's something about it. But my heart lies by a Citroen SM. That is my dream car.
7 horse, then a 7.5. You know?
there, 12.3 on the right. There on the left, 11.4 on the right.
Sorry, clocking.
14.2 there on the left, really respectable, and a 12.3 on the right. On the left hand lane and a 12.02 in the right. Sorry guys, my ears is actually having a hard time coping, especially my right ear. I should have put ear DB plugs so just take the noise to the down. My ear is actually crapping itself. Yeah. Whoa. Struggling in the right hand lane, but an 11.1 for the left. Oh, 15.5 there for that beautiful Toyota and a 11.3 for the right hand lane. Another car I want to drive. I want to drive all these cars. I miss my CLK, I'm not gonna lie. I miss that car. I don't miss it like a lot, but I miss it a lot. We must grow. Yes. 14.9 and 14.4 there in the right hand lane. Albeit I had to block my ear as he came past because it was insanely loud. There for the Opel Corsa, 10.9 there for Tana's Golf 7R in the right hand lane. Very, very impressive. Lots of smoke there at the bottom. 14.0 and 10.6. Those Golf generally just pull oil through their breather system. That's why they smoke so much when they come off the throttle. That could just be that. That's what happened over there. In the right and a 12.4. No, in the left and a 12.4 in the right. Am I right? Right, left, right, left. Jeez, I'm getting confused now. 14.3 there in the left hand lane, 11.0 for the RS3. One in the left and an extremely impressive 12.2 in the right. Not too sure that's B20. I don't know who the owner is. I don't know if it's one thinking of, but very impressive. In the left for the Honda and a what's that 11.68 in the right for the Audi. Yeah, for the Audi. 11.9 there on the left for that Golf and a respectable 14.0 there on the Mach 1 on the right. right-hand lane. I'm not sure what happened to the car on the start. Maybe it was a single run. Grey Golf are pretty bloody strong there. 10.6 in the left, 10.5 in the right. Very, very impressive times from those Golf R's. They tend to make very easy power. I'm not saying it's easy obviously to modify, but they put the power down so efficiently and so well that there is really impressive traction. So. Left-hand lane and a 69 right-hand lane. In the comments below, and if you are a member here on Liberable, tell me, I want to know what you currently drive, what you drove before, and what of the cars you owned is your favorite and why, down in the comments below. If you got to this point in the video, I know how far some of you are watching, so I know what's the ratios like. There in the left-hand lane and a 11.6 in the right. It's bloody fast. Struggling there with gears. However, what's that? 15.0 on the left, and again super consistent 11.4 there on the right. Left-hand lane for the Mach 1 Golf. What defines an SX, like an SX driver? I want to know. Like the cap backwards, the outfit. Like, is it the Monster Energy cap? Like, let's see what other drivers we can spot there. Polo driver over there. No. What does she drive? I wonder what she drives. 2 kids, maybe 3 kids. Oh geez, maybe a Honda CR-V. 3 kids, yeah. I don't know. Left and an impressive 10.5 there in the right hand lane. TDI Mark 1, they're warming the planet up as it passes by. 14.8 for him and 11.5 there in the right hand lane. Jeez Louise. M4 finally biting a little bit down into the ground. 13.4 for the Honda there on the left, or yeah, left, and 11.6 for the M4 over there in the right.
The drive. Track by
All that from HLC, 14.4 in the left, 10.7 there for the Mach 7 in the right. I think Paul gear jumped out or something, but the car revved out of gear. So either the gear came out, something fishy happened there. But yeah, that's a quick car. That's a quick car. The car goes even faster when he gets it down. How is that even okay? 9.0 guys. That's not even a car or bakkie. That's literally just an engine and a nursing bench. And that man just rocketed it down here with absolute control. I don't know what it's like to be inside of that car. But 9.0 at 257 kilometers per hour. All you can bloody hear is the throttle bodies. 11.6 there for the CRX, 11.7 there. I don't even know what was that that came past for the Audi S3, I think. That's flipping fast. Very impressive. That blue car, is it blue in past? Grey car? I'm not even sure the color now. But that car is impressive. Very impressive. I think, yeah, one of my favorite golfs that races here is that specific one. What? I just saw a 9-second run and then a 9.1 second run by two different cars back to back. Can anyone tell me what's powering that black car, the black Ford Escort? I'm super curious now. I think the other one is a 2J. I'm not sure what engine was in that black Escort. Wow. The number plate on that caddy is K by 14.7 and a 14.44 K by. So do you want to come over for dinner? No, it's fine. Okay, bye. Oh, so why are you not answering your phone? Okay, bye.
This is the 5-1.
11.5 there for the RST. Again, just sitting in that mid-11s and a 12.8 there for the Audi S3. Sorry guys, the zoom lens on this phone, it kind of adjusts the right to left, like ness of it, so I keep getting confused which way to move. But the zooming on the phone is unbelievable.
Right, here we go.
There on the left hand lane and a 14.8 on the right. There on the left and an 11.8 there on the right. There on the left and an 11.2 on the right. Diesel Polo there in with an 15.8 and then an 11.4 on the right.
Right over.
screaming past at an 11.0 and a 12.7 there for the Mach 1. On the left for the Audi and then 11.9 for the Honda. Very nice run. There on the left, 12.2 on the right. Mach 5, 12.0 for the Audi, 12.2 for the Golf Mach 5. Very impressive actually for that Mach 5 Golf.
Sorry, clock 9 military going up against collar overburn in the right. Oliver Edison missing as to get to the right.
There for the left hand lane and a 11.1 for the right. There for the left and a 10.8 there for that TTRS. Kan ek net ook sê that color, moet jy clean this lens here. That color on the TT was lane and 12.0 there in the right. So that car 13.2 there in the left is actually my cousin. Ismail, and I see they did another 13.2 there for the Honda in the right. But my cousins Anika are here, and Anika's husband, and my other cousins are here. Came to tell me that is Ismail. I didn't even know. Yeah. How's it? Oh. Oh. I'm like an old man, bro. I can't even.
I just say, I'm so lucky you weren't on the start line.
Why?
Our ears was.
Yeah, dude, I actually. Bruh, I told them now, you're on the camera now. I said, listen, I should have brought earplugs with because it was bad.
There was that on.
Yeah.
Cold scarf, bro.
My ears were ringing. I had a lot of fun, but I was seeing 2 9-second runs after each other.
Oh, it was something.
Very, very impressive.
Oh, you just see that? Look at the. Oh.
I can only imagine. I can only imagine. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy the videos. There will be robot racing on Wednesday night as well. My brother and I will head down and film a little. So yeah, I hope, obviously with weather considering if the weather is bad, we won't be able to film. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Be free, be you. Liberable out.